Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your soup healthy and delicious. We'll start by focusing on the foundational elements. First, select lean protein sources such as chicken breast, turkey, or various legumes like lentils and beans. These choices will significantly boost your satiety, helping you feel full and satisfied with fewer calories. This simple step is crucial for a nutritious and balanced meal. Next, let's talk about maximizing your vegetable intake and making smart broth choices. Aim to include at least 3 different types of colorful vegetables in every batch of soup you prepare. For your liquid base, always opt for low-sodium broths, whether homemade or store-bought, to keep your sodium levels in check. You can also use vegetable purees to naturally thicken your soup, avoiding calorie-dense creams. Now, let's discuss incorporating smart fats and boosting flavor naturally. A small drizzle of healthy fats, like extra virgin olive oil or a spoonful of mashed avocado, can add richness and essential nutrients. Instead of relying on excessive salt, elevate your soup's taste with fresh herbs, aromatic spices, and a squeeze of citrus juice. This approach keeps your soup light yet incredibly flavorful, avoiding unnecessary calories from heavy creams. Finally, let's talk about mindful portioning and smart garnishes. Aim for a moderate serving size, typically around 1.5 cups, to ensure a balanced meal. Enhance your soup with nutritious garnishes like fresh herbs, a sprinkle of toasted nuts, or a dollop of Greek yogurt. Pairing your healthy soup with a light side salad creates a truly satisfying and wholesome meal. Enjoy your delicious and nourishing creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.